Hello, ladies and gentlemen. It's a rough start to the morning, but we're trying to vlog this whole bike ride, I guess. We're doing a 50-miler today with a couple of my friends, Peter and David, and we're gonna take you along for the journey. So yeah, I'm gonna try to vlog all of it on the GoPro and see how this goes. Off to a bad start already. It's 7:25 and I am 32 minutes away, and I'm supposed to be there at 7:30, so yeah, already late. Gotta be listening to that fake Doctor's Real Friends.
Enormous outdoor venue in Los Angeles.
Link in the description. So there's an accident on my route.
Definitely do the right thing.
Hopefully everybody's okay.
Another summer.
That doesn't look too good. Okay. Yeesh. It's only one car? Only one car.
Man, you know about Schaumburg High?
I'm getting there. I have a lot of yards.
Gotta get that daily triple in. Continues. Where are we at?
Right, sometimes.
9.5 miles?
5.7 I've got.
Well, you're wrong.
No, I'm right.
What, 40 more to go?
Shut up. No, 15.
Oh, 15?
Baby.
You gotta turn around.
Granted, 15.
Oh, there's a horsey course. 20 miles into it. Look at these bums. They're slacking. We only got 30 miles to go. It's a gorgeous day. No sun, but it's nice and cool. It's good for bicycle riding. Let's get it. All right, 30 miles. I had a little mechanical issue, so that sucked, but
You think you're so fast.
my chain literally got stuck in between the chain set in the front. How's Dave doing?
Hey, man. Hey, we're about 30 in. All right. Yes. Does it jelly beans?
He's got jelly beans, that's all he needs.
It's true. Jelly belly in my belly. Hey, it's weird. Bike broke down earlier, right?
Yeah, this is where my bike broke down. It's okay, we're good now. Just don't go in the third chain ring. Chickens!
The third chain set of death. Chickens! Moo!
We got stopped, sadly.
I don't need much.
My hands are a little bit dirty.
That's good.
Okay, so we're at 37.6 miles and waiting for Dave and Peter. I'm actually not seeing them, so I might go back and see where they're at. I've been trying to push the uphills just because I know I'm not that great at them, so yeah. It's a straightaway, I can't see them, so we're gonna find out where they're at. I didn't record my issue, but I can record his.
I'm the only one with the bike that's not broken, and I put mine together myself, so, you know.
This is the first time your bike hasn't had an issue.
I was gonna say, the first time. Really?
My bike's the best. I put it together. I am the greatest bike mechanic.
Sure. It's not a problem with the tire, is it?
I think it's the tube.
No, it's two.
Just the tube? Okay. Dave flatted again after that first one, and it was just like a pinch, but yeah, we stopped for another 20 minutes to like try to make sure he doesn't get another flat. So we got 10 miles to go. And my legs are dead. It's windy now too. And I'm kind of cold.
My quads are cramping so hard.
I'd like to officially thank these two fools for pulling me along the last 5 miles.
I don't even like want to look at the speed chart because that like last 10 miles it just dropped so much.
That last 5 miles was like 20 minutes.
Oh yeah.
And that concludes the 50-mile ride.
Fuck that ride.
Any comments?
Good weather. I hate you both. Besides the wind. For making me do this.
That's all.